Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, central Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Morris to 6 miles west of Woodhaven Lakes, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Woodhaven Lakes, Creston, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Grand Detour, Stewart, Aldena, and Lee Center. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 94 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 55 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, and Ogle County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.